Here is how to hide birthday notification on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide birthday notification on Facebook. It's a simple process, so let's start. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet. Then after, open Facebook and log into your account. After you log into your account, go to your Facebook profile. Then after, tap on edit profile. Scroll all the way below and go to edit your about info. Scroll below and go to basic info. Now tap on edit on the right side of basic info. Now if you want to hide your birthday, select the visibility option on the right side of your birth date. Now if you want to hide it, select only me. If you want to hide your birth year as well, then tap on the drop down menu and select only me. After that, tap on save. So in this way you can easily hide birthday notifications on Facebook. After we have done that, your birthday notifications will no longer be sent to your Facebook friends. Furthermore, if you don't want to receive notifications for your Facebook friends' birthdays, what you can do is tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen, then scroll below and tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. After that, scroll below and go to notifications. Then after, go to birthdays. Now if you don't want to receive notifications about your Facebook friends' birthdays, disable these notifications. As you do that, you will now no longer receive notifications of your friends' birthdays on Facebook. So in this way, you can easily hide birthday notification on Facebook. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.